Ventilators, intensive care beds and piped oxygen. This is exactly what had been lacking for thousands of COVID-19 patients in Peru. The virus has rampaged through the country, hitting the poorest hardest. Many died in their homes as ill-equipped hospitals overflowed. From the outset of the pandemic, Peru's chronically underfunded healthcare system has hindered its response to COVID-19. The emergency has forced it to bring its healthcare up to speed, and in the last few months, it's doubled its number of hospital beds by building field hospitals like this across the country. A 200-bed hospital built in just 2 weeks in Peru's most populous district, east of the capital Lima. Opened by President Martín Vizcarra via San Juan de Lurigancho, is one of a dozen new dedicated coronavirus hospitals.
El virus sigue con nosotros.
The virus is still with us. We must not let our guard down. We have to fight COVID-19 until we defeat it.
Crucially, the field hospitals aim to get coronavirus patients early, before it's too late to save them.
We've seen a 5-fold rise in the number of patients who need attention for COVID-19. What they need most is oxygen, so we've had to install more beds, but all with piped oxygen.
Peru has reported more than 12,600 deaths, but experts calculate the pandemic's true toll could be 3 times as much. Peru's excess mortality rate, measured as the number of deaths above the normal average, could be as high as 40,000, one of the highest in the world. Fiorella Molinelli is with Peru's social security agency, EsSalud.
There are deaths from suspected COVID-19. They may have died in their homes from acute respiratory illness, a stroke, or another cause, which does not allow us to definitely say they died from COVID-19. We're investigating and we'll have figures by the end of the year.
Doubts over the death toll may have prompted a shake-up at the top, with a reshuffle of most government ministers this week. While officials say the infection rate is slowing, as millions go back out on the streets, experts fear the coronavirus caseload will start mounting again. Dan Collins for CGTN in Lima.